If you want to permanently delete your Lucidchart account or your Lucid account in general, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Before we begin, there's one important thing to know. If you have any active subscription, you should cancel that first before deleting your account. That helps avoid billing issues and makes sure the deletion process goes smoothly. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Lucidchart account. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile image, your initials, or your account avatar. Click on that menu to open your account options. From the drop-down, select Account Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your Lucid account. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different settings categories. Click User Settings. This is where Lucid places account-level controls, including the option to delete your account. After that, scroll down until you find the section labeled Delete Lucid Account. In that section, you'll see a Delete Account button. Click it carefully because this is the step that begins the permanent deletion process. Lucid will then show you on-screen prompts to confirm what you're doing. Read each prompt carefully before continuing because once the deletion is finalized, your account and associated personal data will be removed from Lucid's web platform. Follow the confirmation steps exactly as shown. Depending on your account type, Lucid may ask you to verify your identity or confirm the request one more time before proceeding. Once you complete the prompts, your Lucidchart account deletion request should be processed. At this point, your account will be on its way to being permanently removed, along with the personal data tied to it according to Lucid's deletion policy. If you are only trying to stop using the service temporarily, make sure you do not click through the deletion prompts by accident. And again, if you are on a paid plan, double check that your subscription has been cancelled first so you don't keep getting charged. That's the full process to delete Lucidchart or Lucid from the web. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.